students, this is part 2 of chapter 2, that is plant habitats. If you haven't seen part 1 of this lesson, the link is given in the description box. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I update or upload a new video, and you can be able to prepare your lesson better. So, without further ado, let's start with today's lesson. So, in part 1 video, we got to learn about plants that grow in hilly region and plants that grow in plains. Okay, today we will learn more about terrestrial plants. So, the first that we will discuss today will be plants of coastal areas. Now, plants that grow in coastal areas are adapted to hot and humid climate. For example, coconut tree. Okay, this coconut tree can grow in coastal areas because they survive in salty water. So there are other examples of such plants that can grow in coastal areas. Those can be rubber, pepper, rice, sugarcane. And the special thing about these plants are they do not shed their leaves in winter, as it was in case of plants that grow in plains. So plants of coastal areas are evergreen. They do not shed their leaves in winter. इन प्लांट्स को एवरग्रीन प्लांट्स भी कहा जा सकता है. मतलब ये प्लांट्स एवरग्रीन रहते हैं बिकॉज वो लोग अपना लीव्स शेड नहीं करते विंटर के टाइम पे. ठीक है. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज प्लांट्स ऑफ डेजर्ट्स. प्लांट्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैक्टस, डेट प्लाम्स, babool, these are few examples of plants that grows in desert. Now let us see the special features of these plants. The leaves of desert plants are reduced to spines. Leaves जो होती हैं desert plants की वो actually modified होती हैं spines में, means कांटों में. ठीक है. Why is this so? Because this feature helps to reduce water loss from the plant. अब स्पाइंस होती हैं, कांटे होती है, तो उनका सरफेस एरिया बहुत कम हो जाता है. जितना सूरज के कांटेक्ट में आ सके उतना सरफेस उनका बहुत कम हो जाता है. दैट इज व्हाई दे हेल्प टू रिड्यूस वाटर लॉस फ्रॉम द प्लांट. ओके. अनदर फीचर ऑफ डेजर्ट प्लांट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. मतलब जो प्लांट अपने लिए खाना बनाती है. इन केस ऑफ डेजर्ट प्लांट्स लाइक कैक्टस, दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस टेक्स प्लेस इन द स्टेम. Okay, because stem is where chlorophyll is present in case of desert plants like cactus. Okay. Now, the fleshy stem also stores food and water, which is used by the plant to survive in the desert. Next feature is the desert plants have long roots. Why? Because this type of roots help the plant in getting water by penetrating deep under the ground. तो क्या होता है, पहला तो स्टेम जो होता है वो फोटोसिंथेसिस करता है प्लस फूड स्टोर रखता है प्लांट के लिए टू हेल्प देम टू सर्वाइव इन डेजर्ट. ऑल्सो इन केस ऑफ डेजर्ट प्लांट्स उनका जो रूट्स होते हैं वो बहुत डीपली पेनिट्रेट होते हैं. पेनिट्रेट मीन्स गोइंग डाउन वेरी डीपली. तो उनका बहुत डीप अंदर तक, ज़मीन के अंदर तक रूट्स होते हैं सो दैट दे कैन गेट द ग्राउंड वाटर. ओके. सो दिस वाज अबाउट डेजर्ट प्लांट्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट प्लांट्स ऑफ मार्शी एरियाज. Now the trees that grow in marshy plains are called mangroves. I repeat, the trees that grow in marshy plains are called mangroves. ठीक है. What is the special thing about these? The roots of mangroves grow above the soil. हमें क्या पता था कि roots grows below the soil, but in case of mangrove, the roots grow above the soil. Why? Because air cannot reach their roots. ठीक है. So this type of root is called breathing roots. ठीक है. तो एयर उनके रूट तक नहीं पहुंच पाता, इसीलिए उनके जो रूट्स होते हैं वो सॉइल के अबव रहते हैं, ऊपर रहते हैं. एंड ऐसे रूट्स को क्या कहते हैं? ब्रीदिंग रूट्स. Now these roots have tiny openings at their tips through which gases can pass. Okay. Now moving on to plants of heavy rainfall areas. ठीक है. Now plants that grow in heavy rainfall areas are full of leaves and are lush green round the year. मतलब वो हमेशा green रहते हैं. ठीक है. इसीलिए they are called evergreen trees because वो throughout the year green रहते हैं. So they are called evergreen trees. Now what are the examples? Examples will be rubber, tea, cashew nut, pepper. These are the examples of plants of heavy rainfall areas. So some smaller plants that grow in heavy rainfall areas are sugarcane, cotton and rice. These also require much water, so that is why they grow in the place where there is heavy rainfall. Okay, so let us quickly see what we have learned in today's video. So this is what we learned in today's video, that is we learned about plants that grows in coastal areas with their examples. Similarly, plants of deserts, plants of marshy areas and plants of heavy rainfall. ठीक है. So here I have given few pictures. This is a picture of plant of coastal areas, coconut trees. Okay. Next is a plant of desert. ठीक है. You can see cactus here. Next will be this mangroves that grows in marshy areas. As you can see in this picture, roots are above the soil and these roots are called breathing roots. Correct. Now next is a teak trees. You can say the plants of heavy rainfall. Okay, so this is an example of plants of heavy rainfall. So that is all for today's lesson. We will discuss about another type of plants, that is aquatic plants, in our next video. So stay tuned and thank you.